You struggle to wear lashes and it's so hard for you and it always like peels from either corners of your eyes, I have the solution for you. I discovered today the easiest lashes to use, and they're the Ardell magnetic lashes. I'm using the Wispies and I have it on my right eye, and I'm gonna show you how to use it on the left eye, and it's super fast and it's super easy. You're gonna love it. So this is the Ardell Magnetic Liquid Liner. So the brush tends to be thick, it's on the thicker side, so if you're not very comfortable with liquid liners, you're gonna find it a little bit challenging. So I'm gonna show you, I'm so used to liquid liners and I find them much easier to control than just like pencil liners. So I'm gonna show you how I apply it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is how the lash looks like. You can see 3 magnets. You have one on the inner corner, one in the middle part, and then you have one on the outer corner, and it's gonna be super easy to apply it. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna hold it with 2 fingers, pinch it, and then bring it closer. So like, and that's it. That's all. Can you believe it? Like, this is the simplest way ever. I noticed that this side is closer to the eyelash than this side, so all I do is like pinch it and bring it closer like that. Pinch it and bring it closer. Pinch it, bring it closer. Here, pinch it, bring it closer. This is so much more simple than any other lash I've applied in my life. Like the easiest ever. It's not messy at all because you don't have to use glue, you don't have to use anything, and it's 2-in-1 because you're basically using the eyeliner and the magnetic liner 2-in-1, so it's giving you the fullness that you need, and it's lining your eyes, and at the same time it's providing you the magnetic liner that holds on to the magnets and it keeps them in place. And once you're done, all you need to do is just hold them from the outer corners and just peel them gently. This is the final look. It looks really good and I'm really impressed with how easy the process was. I was so skeptical of using them, but now that I use them, I don't think I can go back to regular lashes.